Here's Berardi. Oh, Berardi's got in now. And it's an own goal. It's gone in off Meri Demiral. Well kicked out. But that will know. Immobile in for two. Turkey now in trouble. Looking at a lot of different individuals. Here's Insigne! All over. And Italy have been all over Turkey from the start. Insigne on the far side. He needs someone to join him. Locatelli does that. They're calling that one out. The back of his heels on it again now, Locatelli again. Tremendous. What a strike from Locatelli. It is a goal that will be remembered forever in the Eternal City. Again, to Lloyd this time. That's an effort that sneaks in. And now Immobile has his goal. He scored against Turkey. He's finished off the Swiss. Well, Italian stuff. Clever, very clever!
Take it away. No matter how is what I cherish each day. Put it away, our hands. We can sing, we can dance. I don't know this again. Feels so good, feels so real.
Immobile once more, long way out! Oh. And he nearly caught Backman out. Gazer again. Bouncing up at him, he did really well. Oh, he did exceedingly well. Federico Chiesa for Italy. To break the deadlock in extra time. Insigne. What they're all waiting for him to drop. That's game. Huge moment. It's Piscina. The man who got the goal against Wales has a second goal against Austria. Ball introduced now from Austria as the corner goes in, all the way in from Sharp. Touch on the way from Kalajdzic, and Austria, with a little over 6 minutes to play, have hope. No more neighbour clear, and there it is, well-oiled Italian machine. Had a Belgian fans more pleased than anybody. Chiellini is back. Still De Bruyne, denied by Donnarumma. Verratti, then Chiesa. He's done it again! Barella! This one does count for Italy. And this time they do lead. But he's rounded. Insigne. What a hit! Two for Italy. Courtois beaten again. And the number one ranked team in the world. Doku. Di Lorenzo. He's given it. The Slovenian referee points to the spot. Di Lorenzo on Doku. To reduce the deficit. Which he takes. Belgium back in the game. Romelu Lukaku's fourth goal of the tournament. 2-1. Lukaku showed his class there and his maturity. Huge pressure on him. Kevin De Bruyne. Lukaku! Chadley, two substitutes combining. Lukaku couldn't get there. Neither could Hazard. The Italian rose continues to flower. Further Azzurri assurance for the...
Let's go in that Menuju team of Danny Murphy, Stigliolini, Danny Olmo, good shape by Donnarumma to his right hand side. But Chiesa's onto it. Chiesa, yes! Federico Chiesa for Italy! Morata forward, almost. Morata! Goal! Forget that. Redemption for Morata. Spain are level. Goes right on cue from Felix Ten. What a game it's been between 15 goals, penalty of 10. Save! In the Italian goal. He's missed it. Italy. Scores for Spain. And scores this one. Scores confidently. Penalty in hand. And it's saved by Donnarumma. It's Jorginho. So if Italy have won. And he does.
Okay, well, we've cards all folding the same.
Trippier who'll cross, and it's Luke Shaw!
Don't wanna let you down, but I am hellbound. Oh, this is all for you. Don't wanna hide the truth. No matter what we agreed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. When you feel my heat, look into my eyes. It's when my demons.
Spaces flicked across. This is a problem, and it is in. Italy are level, and it is Menuju who's put them that way. Big We always knew it would be this way, or sensed that it might be. He sets himself and hits it hard, straight at Pickford, who pushes it down. Make sure there's no chance. No time for anything more. Rashford has missed.
Your grave masquerade, look, I'm calling out in the mess you made. Don't wanna let you down, but I am hellbound. Oh, this is all for you. Don't wanna hide the truth. No matter what we dream, we still are made of greed. This is my
Saka has to score. It's saved by